Hi there! Today I'm going to teach you how to record your PowerPoint presentation during a Zoom meeting. So first off, we're going to get our PowerPoint presentation ready. So just click PowerPoint and then it'll lead you to the PowerPoint presentation that you have. I'm just going to click this one available and then I'm going to go to Zoom. So I have Zoom here open. You can just download it for yourself if you want. And then you can just go to new meeting or join if there's already a set meeting for you. I'm just going to click join for now since we are still practicing. And then I'm going to go to start. Make sure that your audio and your video are working. And then I'm going to give it here with the share button. So go to the share button and then click the PowerPoint presentation that you're going to use. Then you go to click share. Afterwards, it's going to give you like that. Now, how can you record? You go to the three dots here on the center, then just click it, then click record. Of course, you can, if you're presenting, you have to unmute yourself. But for now, I'm just going to continue without audio. And then this will continue with the recording. Then after that, I'm going to click pause and then I'm going to stop sharing. And that's it. That's how you can record your video. And then once you want to stop, you can click stop recording. And that's how you record your presentation during your Zoom meeting. If you need further information, please let me know and I'll be happy to create more videos for you. Bye for now.